How to add essential oil to humidifier? Using essential oils in a humidifier is an easy and effective way to improve your indoor air quality. Benefits of adding essential oil to humidifier. One big benefit is that it can help purify the air and rid it of any harmful toxins or pollutants. Another benefit is that it can help improve your mood and sense of well-being. Essential oil humidifiers are safe for cats and dogs. Essential oil humidifiers are safe for cats and dogs as long as you use water-based essential oils. Do not use essential oils that are ethanol or oil-based, because these types of oils can be harmful to pets if ingested. How to add essential oil to humidifier? There are several ways to add essential oils to humidifiers. The most common way is to add a few drops of oil to the water reservoir. You can also add oil to a cotton ball or piece of tissue and place it near the humidifier. Some humidifiers come with an essential oils diffuser, which make adding oil easy. To get the most benefit from your essential oils, it's important to choose the right ones. Some good options for humidifiers include eucalyptus, lavender, and peppermint. These oils can help improve respiratory health, relieve stress, and boost energy levels. If you have allergies or sensitivities, be sure to test the oil on your skin before using it in your humidifier. Happenings when you put essential oils in a humidifier? The essential oils will vaporize and release their scent into the air. This can be a pleasant way to enjoy the benefits of the oils, or it can be used to freshen the air in a room. Note: essential oils should not be used in a humidifier if there are any children or pets in the room, as they could potentially breathe in the oil vapors and experience negative side effects. How to make water-soluble essential oils for humidifier? There are a few ways to make water-soluble essential oils for humidifiers. One is to add the essential oils to a base of purified water or distilled water. Another way is to make a solubilizing agent using vegetable glycerin, propylene glycol, or ethanol. And finally, you can also use emulsifiers like lecithin or polysorbate 20 to help the essential oils disperse in the water. Thanks.